Notabalo is gone in on DJ Maphorisa again. The music executives reunited their feud after a video of Maphorisa and Thuli Phongolo having a blast at Lois Rosebank went viral. Nota's not happy, calling Maphorisa a scormota and bringing up his past GBV accusations. The drama has been brewing for a while, with Nota referencing Maphorisa's messy 2023 breakup with Thuli and the legal drama that followed. He's questioning Maphorisa's judgment and fans are divided. Some agree with Nota while others think he's just being hypocritical, given his own past controversies. Nota's comments sparked an online firestorm, with memes and reactions pouring in. Some users are begging him up, while others are dragging up his divorce from Berita Khumalo. It's clear Nota's got a target on his back, but he's not backing down. Maphorisa responded with a diss song and the tensions palpable. These views highlighting deeper issues in the music industry like exploitation and accountability. Who's gonna come out on top? Only time will tell. The drama's far from over, folks. What's your take on this spicy feud? Are you Team Nota or Team Maphorisa?